Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? Hope everybody's good. I'm going down to the dentist to get my teeth worked on. Last time they did a cleaning and they filled in a couple of cavities. I plan to go camping this weekend. It's gonna be like 103 degrees up in Rose Valley. It's gonna be really nice. We found a new spot. It's called the 6-minute spot. So it's not the 5-minute spot. It's a little bit past the 5-minute spot. But it's more open. That campsite you seen in the jump rope video, that was at the 5-minute spot, and this is the new spot. Yeah, I got a new SD chip for the GoPro. It's 128 gigabytes. It's compared to what I was working with before, I was only getting about 20 minutes of camera time. Now I got like 4 hours of recording time, so I'm stoked on that. I don't have to work as hard to remove footage or delete footage that I might want to record a video, so that's really cool. Yeah, I got two 128 gigabyte chips. Yeah. What this GoPro also needs is a little side cover for like waterproof, to make it like water resistant up to like 9 meters or 3 meters, something like that. But yeah, it's missing a little side plate, and that holds the water out from getting into the battery and the charge port and stuff. So that would be nice to get to. But yeah, this is Creek Road here in Ojai, and it's a beautiful drive. Ojai has a lot of beautiful drives. You got the 150 going past Casitas, Lake Casitas, and you get to see the lake and everything, and it's nice and windy and has straightaways and hills. This one, it's a nice road. The 33 is also a really nice road to drive on. Creek Road is awesome. But yeah, people also love driving up the 33, up that mountain, and I love it too. It's a lot of fun. I just almost wish I had a nicer car, but it's okay. I'm driving a 2007 Nissan Altima, 2.5 liter engine. It's a beautiful engine, actually. My last car was a 2000 Bonneville, and that had a 3800 series engine, and that one was a lot of fun. It had a lot of power, but the electrical was bad in that car, so yeah, the electrical was bad in that car, so the battery would drain without the keys even being in it. So I just had to scrap that car. I donated it to Cars for Kids and got a tax write-off. Had this car since early 2017, actually.
Okay, so walk me through how
phone call.
They provide critical support in the classroom.
Hello? Hey, what's up?
They keep students nourished so they're ready to learn.
Oh, dude, I'm down, dude. I'm going to the dentist right now. But I'll be back in like by 1. Awesome. All right, man.
Custodians, nurses,
Later.
Paraeducators, just a few of the education support professionals who help schools.
That's my cousin. We're gonna hang out.
Every day. This is David Goldberg.
We're gonna go do something.
They ensure that
It's not Saturday, but it's Friday.
So take a moment to say thank you to the ESPs in your school.
Why they want me to get my teeth worked on a Friday, I have no idea. It's not cool.
To make a difference. As veterans, we can
I got things to do. I want to go run. I want to go run a mile. I've been running a mile pretty much every day for the past 5 days. But yesterday, I ran 100-yard sprints, and I feel it a lot today. So switch it up. Yeah, I don't know. You know, I don't have a job right now, so I have some free time, and I want to make content. You know, so I think like 30-day challenges are kind of intriguing to see the results of somebody. You know, I'm not in the greatest of shape or anything like that. I have a ways to go, and I was at my heaviest, I was 265 pounds, and at one point I lost 80 pounds, and that was, I thought that was impossible for me. Like, come on, I'm 265 pounds and 19 years old. Like, I'm not trying to lose, it's gonna be ridiculously hard to lose that amount of weight. But you wanna know what I did? Is I worked at a bakery for a whole year, and I lost 40 pounds through sweating every single day. Now, people think working at a bakery, you're gonna gain weight, you're gonna eat a bunch of pastries, eat a bunch of bread, that gluten is just gonna fill you up. But actually the opposite happens, is you work so hard and you're in a hot room all day with 2+ ovens going non-stop, and you have to let the room get hot so that the bread rises, and you are just working and sweating like a dog. And by the time I'd be done with my shift, my whole shirt would be like, I just put it in a bucket of water, and I would be that drenched in sweat. Yeah, that's a great way to lose weight. And then the next thing I did to lose weight, which this was a game changer right here, guys. It was stop drinking soda, actually. You know, I just gave soda up. I didn't give all drinks up. I drink teas like Arizona's, Gatorades. Usually when I go to like fast food restaurants or fast food, whatever you want to call them, I'll just get an unsweetened iced tea, you know, and it's not like I changed up my whole lifestyle or anything. It's just soda. And what I was realizing right before I gave soda up was that, you know, I didn't even buy the soda. It was just something that was around. Like, my grandma would buy it, and because I lived with her for a whole 9 months before I got this place with my mom. We saved money up to get this place, but dropping the soda, it was just, I was sitting at my table, my desk, and I saw all these soda cans around. I'm just like, you know, I'd never buy soda, like, for myself. Why do I drink so much soda when other people buy it? It's not, I don't feel right doing it. I don't like spending other people's money like that. So I just made a conscious decision to stop drinking soda. It really wasn't benefiting me. And then right after that, I lost 40 pounds. Like, I was still working hard, but not at the bakery. And after I left the bakery, I stopped losing weight. Yeah, so right after I stopped working at the bakery, I stopped losing weight. And I thought that was funny. And then, because I was still working ridiculously hard, like my shirt would still be drenched, but it was just like this cap that I couldn't lose anymore. I had to do something in my diet to get that extra effect or something like that. So I was 265, then I dropped 40 pounds, and I was at 225, and then I was there for like a year or more, which is a fine weight for me, but it was a lot of body fat. And so then I stopped drinking soda, and then I dropped down to 280, and then I stayed at 280 for when I was working at that place. It was Westridge here in Ojai, and then I got down to 185, and then I switched jobs to work at this business that I loved, but I'm not there anymore. And then I started gaining weight, even though I wasn't drinking soda. I just wasn't sweating and working physically as hard. But so I gained weight even though I still wasn't drinking soda. So still a decent amount of body fat. But I think these 1 month challenges, you guys might benefit from to see me go through, because I lose body fat really slowly. So if it happens to me, it can happen to anybody. Like, I lose body fat, I don't know what it is. My metabolism is really slow, maybe. I was never able to lose body fat as a kid. I just always kept getting higher, and I never really wanted to be that big, but it just kind of happened. And yeah, but through kind of just determination and a necessity to work, I just did it, you know. I just worked hard for my mom, basically, because couldn't let my mom, I want the best for my mom, so I worked really hard and saved up as much money as I needed to get the place we're at now. And yeah, we like it there, but the house is kind of falling apart, but it's more than what we even were wanting or expecting, you know. Just to have that place is a blessing, that we could separate. You know, I had to live with my grandma, she lived with her daughter, my sister, and then we come back together with this plan that we thought of before, because I didn't want my last time to live with my mom to be a break, like she broke up with her boyfriend, and that wasn't the nicest night, you know. So I didn't want the last time we lived together to end like that. So I made another conscious decision to help my mom and me get a place, my mom and I. So that's what ended up happening. And yeah, so you just kind of, if you have goals in mind, you know, just set them, and if your intentions are good, you know, then your outcome is going to be good. So yeah. But these 1 month videos should be fun. I like 1 month videos, and especially if somebody specializes in 1 month videos, then it should be really interesting. It should be a really interesting channel, I think. So I think I'm gonna try to do that. You know, like I was saying in that first video that I made for YouTube, was what kind of content do I want to make? Do I want to make a channel about this or a channel about that? Still not 100% sure, but I'm gonna start making these 1 month videos. So I've been running for the past 5 days and did 100-yard sprints yesterday. My legs are really Wow, I'm flexing them right now. They're flexing up. So it's good muscle activation. And that's what I'm seeing so far. Have I lost any weight? I don't know. I don't have a scale. Should I get one? Yes, I should get one. But I do go to a gym, and I could measure my weight there. They don't have a body fat percentage machine or anything like that to find out what my body fat is, but I need to find out. I would guess my highest was about 35% body fat. Yeah, I know. And now I don't even know what I would be at. Probably around 20 or 25 maybe. So there is still definitely improvement to go. And I have a before picture when I was 265, and that is a pretty funny picture. That picture I didn't know existed for a long time, and then my friend James sent it over to me saying that that's his favorite picture of me, and I looked at it, and it's also one of my favorite pictures of me. Nice day, guys. It's a nice day. Just enjoy your days alive, guys. Never know when it could end. Enjoy the people around you. You never know when it could be their last time, you know? Honestly. Ways to go out. Could die from a heart attack or a car accident. So could your most favorite person. Knock on wood. So just always enjoy your days. On my way down to the dentist. Oh, this is so much nicer that I have 4 hours of recording time. I don't need to worry about, oh, shut it off. Save an extra minute. That's nice. So this is where we get off at Victoria for the dentist.